Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a plan with me today for the month of April. I have not done a plan with me for the monthly, I think, since January. So this has been a long time coming. I was going to do a March one, I think, and then I never filmed it. So yeah, we're going to be doing April today. I think I also want to film the currently page at some point, so give this video a thumbs up if you want to see that, because if you don't want to see that, then I won't do it. So I already put the washi down for the bottom half of the month, because, or the bottom part of the month, because if you watched my plan with me from last week, I didn't like the washi. I put this down for the bottom part of the page and I didn't like the way it was turning out, so I just put it on this page. But if you did not check that video out, I will link it down below for you guys, so you can watch it if you missed out on it. I was supposed to film this while I was house sitting, but it ended up not happening. I ended up not having time, so I had written it down, so I'm just gonna go ahead and mark it off. Even though it already happened, I'm still gonna just mark off that I house sitted that week. I was house sitting from, oh, this is stuck on there. Okay. I was house sitting from the 30th of March to the 7th. So yeah. And then I'm actually pet sitting again, the 13th through the 15th, not for the same people. These are for different people. So yeah, it's going to be a busy month this month. I have like so many birthdays, as you can see. Pet sitting again on the 13th. Maybe I'll leave this on here. But this time it's actually just for my aunt. She has 2 dogs, so I will be watching them while she's out of town. Alright, so I actually want to cover up the way this April looks and use some of these alpha stickers. I got this for $5.99 at Target, I think last year. So I'm going to cover it up and then put these, like, spell out April using these letters, and hopefully that comes out looking okay. Just scrolled through the book some more and found these letters, so I'm actually going to use these instead if I can take these off. Alright, I actually want to go into this Target sticker book and use these paydays to mark my paydays. So I have one up here. I'm going to actually reuse these for May. And then this 6th was my mom's birthday, so I want to mark that off with this cake. It's so cute. She deserves the big cake. And then everyone else is just going to get a little happy birthday sticker. You know, I was going to go and use one of these stickers from the student sticker book. Dang, where are they? These. But I just remembered that this book has birthday stickers on them, or in them, and I might just use that, you know? So, they're not that big, but since this is the monthly, it's fine. I'll just make sure to mark it in my weekly, too. So, my aunt's birthday is on the 21st. Then I have another aunt's birthday is on the 17th. And then my sister's birthday is on the 26th. There's so many birthdays this month. And then my nephew's birthday, he's turning 1 this year. He's on the 23rd. And then I don't know when we're having his birthday party, so I'm just gonna I'm not gonna mark that yet until I know for sure. And then also on the 23rd is my dog needs to have surgery, so he will be at the vet for that. I might use this. So yeah, he needs to be there. I think he needs to be there at 7:30. So I'm just going to mark that off. And I'll write that in. Well, I'll just write surgery, and then I'll mark the time in my weekly page or whatever. All right, and these birthday ones are kind of bare, so I'm actually just gonna go in with some hearts and just stick them by the birthday so that they don't look so bare that I might miss them, you know. And then for my nephew, since he is the baby, I'm going to put maybe like a balloon for him. Alright, next to mark my bills, I think I'm just going to go in with these, with these little, I'm going to just pull them out if I can. I'm going to go in with these little triangles, and I'm just going to add them everywhere that I know I have a bill due. And I think I'm going to try and just do the light pink for these. And actually, since that was Easter, I'm going to move this to the 2nd. And I'm going to move the Hulu to the 7th. Sometimes I don't draft it on the 6th anyway. Alright, you guys, that is it for the monthly spread. I added these stickers because we are doing procedures in our office now. So, yeah, I just wrote down like what time the first procedure is, because I have to be there 30 minutes ahead, so that way I know, like, you know, what time I have to be there. And then this day I don't remember, I don't know what time the first one is, so I didn't write it down. And then these, we don't open every Monday, so I just have to kind of write down which Mondays we are open so that I remember. So yeah, and then the other stickers were from the Target dollar spot, as you guys saw. I did put a gold sticker down right here, but then I realized as I was peeling up one of the stickers that there's a gold sticker right here. So, I mean, not sticker, section in the currently page right here. So I might end up changing this. I don't know if I'm going to change it here or change it there, but either way I will show you guys. But yeah, that is it for this month's spread. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss when I upload a video. Also, if you want, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is the same as my YouTube, at Frivolous Francis. I always link that down below if you guys are interested in checking out my page. Other than that, I have nothing else to say. I hope you guys are having a great week, and yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye!